from 2017 until 2024, you have been thinking about getting started with dropshipping, or you might have got started with it already, but you might have failed miserably. Now, this failure could have been due to the fact that you didn't have a winning product, or you found your winning product, but now you don't have a proper shipping method. There could be so many reasons due to your failure, and now you have completely quit dropshipping and you don't want to jump into it anymore. What is next? Now, 2025 is around the corner, and if I could put you into something just like dropshipping in 2017, this method would be it. Today, I'm going to be jumping into dropshipping, but unlike physical dropshipping, we're going to be jumping into the digital dropshipping where the real money is at in 2025. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. My name is Ehsanszz and I've been doing dropshipping for the past 4 years, and 2 years ago I started my own mentorship. Now with this mentorship, my aim was to help other people just like me that didn't know how to get started with dropshipping get an idea how they can do it too. And the other reason why I started the dropshipping mentorship is also because of the fact that I knew someone else would have taken my spot if I didn't do it, and they would have taken the advantage of the market, building their personal brand, and of course making connections with all of the other people. But don't get me wrong, guys, I'm not the only mentor here in Dubai. There's quite a lot of mentors, but to speak frankly, alhamdulillah, I can easily say that I'm in the top 5 of those mentors. The mentorship has everything for you to get started with dropshipping in 2024 in the most successful way. But one question that I get most often is, why did you build a course, and how did you build it, and how did you go over all of the challenges? In this video, I'm going to completely break down every single problem that I faced and how you guys can take over it with Whop. Now, if you guys didn't know, my own mentorship is now available inside Whop. So you guys can click in the description down below and check out my own mentorship that I have, alhamdulillah. And this launch happened a week ago, but I got reached out by Whop almost 6 months ago to work with them, but I just kept delaying and working by myself. But alhamdulillah, finally we have started working with Whop. Now, the main reason why I started working with them is because of the payment gateway, ease of use, and so many more benefits. But you can literally become a mentor and sell your own mentorship in less than 60 seconds. Okay, so I've literally got my phone and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be building my own mentorship again in less than 60 seconds. It's literally like Shopify, but instead of physical products, you can sell your own digital products inside Whop. So the first thing we're going to do is download the Whop application inside App Store. The link will be in the description for you guys to download the application. And the next thing we're going to do is, of course, open up the application and sign up with our Gmail account real quick. And of course, you guys can use whatever method that you guys would like to. The home section is basically a place where you can see the most important announcements that all of the other mentorships has made that you are inside of. Then we have the dashboard, and inside the dashboard is where exactly you create your own mentorship. Then we have the dashboard section, and the dashboard section is one of the most important things to show you guys. Now, here is exactly how you can create your own business in less than 60 seconds. I can literally name this as Ehsanszz mentorship, and then after naming it, we click on continue. Over here it says give headlines. Of course, you can give as much details as you would like to, but I'm going to say the #1 dropshipping mentorship in the world. Of course, that's because we are the #1, inshallah. And then you click on continue, and literally in less than 3 seconds everything is done. Now over here it says upload media. Of course, you can have your own banner that you can upload right over here, which we can upload by ourselves. Then it says the description and a few other information which we can fill out right over here. The first thing we're going to do is add an app. Now, the main reason why we want to add an app is because we want to showcase the service that we have. If we click on add app, we can literally add chat, forms, content, Whop wheel that you can literally keep spinning until you win something inside, a mentorship, and a lot of other things such as courses. Now, this could be literally your own choice of selection, but for me, I'm gonna choose, of course, courses. That's exactly what I actually do, sell courses, and of course have videos that are already ready-made for the people. And of course, that's not the only thing. There's a lot of applications that you guys can go through and choose from. The next thing is, of course, adding the description of our Whop, adding the information about what we actually offer. Now, this could be used through ChatGPT. You can be much more in detail. We're also going to add our own logo and all of the information that is required in order for us to get started with selling, which is literally going to take us less than 60 seconds to fill out and go through and have it all filled out. The next amazing thing with Whop is that you can literally withdraw the money into your bank account straight up. There is nothing as third party or anything like that. Whatever amount that you have, you can literally withdraw it straight to your bank account, which makes the whole process so much more easier. One of the biggest problems that I had when I started my own mentorship was the fact that I couldn't figure out a proper payment gateway, and I kept getting banned because of setting a mentorship. A lot of the payment gateways hate mentorships and online services, so they will have a problem with you unless you use Whop. Alright, so right over here I'm going to show you guys my Whop. This is literally the Ehsanszz mentorship Whop. You guys can see that there's everything that we need to know, whatever is included in the mentorship, what we offer to the people, and what they get advantage out of this mentorship. Other good thing about Whop is that the reviews cannot be vetted and faked, so you cannot get fake reviews on the Whop. Also on Whop, if you're verified, the refunds are guaranteed, which is an amazing plus point. You can also add the reviews as well as how many customers bought your product and pages, and also talk about yourself, what you actually offer. There's also messages, which means that you can literally talk with anyone directly, including your fans, including the people that you want to get in touch with. And of course, you can actually create your own group, which means that you can literally build a community inside Whop through a group chat. So in short, Whop is like Amazon, but instead of physical product, all for digital products. The other good thing is that you can literally pay out your team members through Whop itself, whether they're in Dubai, whether they're in USA, whatever country it may be. Now through Whop itself, you guys can sell a low ticket product on recurring basis or a high ticket one-time product, because you can do invoicing, and you can also have a storefront that you can share with anyone, including your family members, in order to purchase your online service. Also inside Whop, the best thing is that you can literally talk with your customers one-on-one through either chats or even group chats by adding them all to one group chat. You can also divert to different sections inside Whop within a few clicks, and this application right over here is super mobile friendly, so that you guys can use it and take advantage of it in the easiest way possible. So overall, Whop is like Shopify but more for online services and digital products, which again you cannot do through Shopify, so Whop would be the perfect place for you to do it. And unlike Shopify, you literally have a payment gateway that works anywhere in the world, which is amazing. If you'd like to get started with Whop and have your own store built for yourself, or sell your coaching plan or business plan, whatever the plan or the mentorship may be, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Make sure you click in the link down in the description and get started with Whop, inshallah. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, inshallah.